Hello my friends, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at everyday products in stock indices trading. This video is a continuation of our indices trading series sponsored by Vantage Market, an all-in-one trading app. Vantage Market allows you to trade indices like a pro with low spreads and leverage as high as 1000 to 1. Diversify your portfolio with 1000 plus tradable instruments, including 25 plus popular market indices like the DJ30, the Nasdaq, and the DAX 50. Thanks to Vantage Market for sponsoring this video. Let's jump right in the video. Believe it or not, that sleek phone in your hand which you're using to watch this video could be impacting major indices. You see, indices comes in all shapes and sizes. Some track broad markets, while others focus on specific sectors like technology or healthcare. These focused ones are called micro sectors. Think of them as zoom lenses, taking a closer look at a particular area of the market. What's amazing is that these micro sectors often include companies that make the everyday product that we use. For example, Apple, the maker of the iconic iPhone, is listed on the Nasdaq. Similarly, Microsoft, the powerhouse behind the Windows operating system, is a major player in the S&P 500. These companies aren't just household names, they are heavyweights in their respective sectors. When they perform well, it can positively impact the entire index they are part of. I want you to think of it as a team sport. Strong individual players contribute to the overall team's success. Let's break it down a bit further. Companies like Apple, with their innovative products like iPhone, contribute significantly to the technology sector's growth. This growth in turn affects the performance of indices like the Nasdaq, which Apple is actually part of. Same thing goes for Microsoft, which is part of the S&P 500. If Microsoft's stock price begins to fall now, most of these indices will feel the impact. Well, now that you understand the power of everyday products and indices, I want us to log into the Vantage Market app so you can have a proper idea on where some of these individual stocks are located in the application. The first step you want to take is to sign up or sign into the app. If this is your first time using the app, you want to sign up and then proceed in doing your KYC. And this will involve you submitting a clear picture of your passport and NEPA bill. The passport I would encourage you to use should be your international passport. Now, once you have done this and logged into the app, I'm actually using the demo. What you want to do is, you can see right now we are actually on the watch list. That's where you're going to, when you enter the app for the first time, welcome to the watch list. So you see the place that says Forex, crypto, share, CFD, indices, metals, commodities, ETF. So the one I'm looking for, since you're looking for these individual stocks, we want to go to this one that says share CFDs. So you click on it and then you can now see the various stocks of these companies that play huge roles in these various indices. For example, now let me look for Microsoft, which plays an integral role in the S&P 500 indices. You can see this one that says MSFT. That's the stock symbol, that's the ticker symbol I mean. So you click on it, you can see the price of it on the Vantage Market app. See, there is no analysis for now. Click on the economic calendar, and then this is basically the chart. This is the bar chart. This is it. You can see the bar chart, and you can then decide to sell if you want to sell, if you have it to exist. If you already have some Microsoft share CFD, you can decide to sell if you want. You can still decide to buy if you want. It's all up to you. So let's look for another company that plays an integral role, Google. So you can see here Google. This is for Google. So when you click on it as well, you can see the price, and then you can see this is the 1 week chart. You can see the 1 day. Click on 1 day. You can see the 4 hour. You can see the 1 hour. Now let's see if we can find that of Apple. It's another important company. So let's see. You scroll. You can still decide to search if you want. If it's difficult, just click on this search bar up here and search for Apple. You can see one of my recent searches is Apple, but you can just type Apple here. Apple, you can see it's Apple. Click on it. Then you see it. So this is the price of Apple. This is basically how to find individual stocks in the Vantage Market application. By the way guys, I forgot to mention, starting now, Vantage is offering a 13% per annum funds growth campaign that runs until January 3rd, 2025. Here's how it works. Simply nominate your live trading account, maintain the minimum daily eligible funds, trade at least 0.5 lots per week, and that's all. You automatically earn daily interest of up to 0.05%, which gets settled every Monday, and that adds up to a potential annual return of 13%. You can find this special promotion at the promo section in the Vantage Market app. I will leave details in the comment section and also in the description, and I will encourage you to use that as well. If you enjoyed this video, do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and without much talk, see you on the next one. Deal.